Machita namaGrootman. I hope sonke sise-grand after le Easter. Uyabhayizisa i-Easter. Noba uyakhonza uyabhayizisa i-Easter. Hope sonke sise-grand. 4 players leaving Orlando Pirates. 4 players facing question marks. And 5 players zine business opportunity for Orlando Pirates. Le video lena kudala ndizulisela ismoko ibi angle ba i-players zihamba Orlando Pirates, but ismoko Orlando Pirates izaba ne-coach entsha and iyalaqazisa la way yokuthi ba okay players ithile ziyavaya Orlando Pirates kodwa kusezaba ne-coach entsha. But ke naphinde ndacinga man kuse Orlando Pirates le ringa ngayo apha. Pirates plus the most clubs both up the PSL even abroad iba i-management kuse esigna i-players release ne-players aizo coaches zimbalwa i-team apho i-coach yasigna release. Ifane yenzeke la way if i-coach ina 2-3 years ilapha kule club ingayenza lo way, but most club ezininzi apha i-coaches azifana hlala 3 years, so by management sign i-players when you release i-players and at the same time la way clubs avoid la way ba i-coach izosana i-players zayo apha and then selo umuntu ahambe lo in 1 or 2 seasons and then thina sihlekene ezi-players zakhe and ifike i-coach ifike le-coach iqombe yama na ikwazi usebenza nezi-players. So that's why I say most management isana i-players zayo ngokwayo irelease i-players ngokwayo kuthiwa mfondini kusenasi squad mfondini nazi i-tools kuse zi-players ezi-grand ezi siyazi nathi ibhola spana mfondini and kusele way kudala ezisebenzela i-clubs apha i-SA top clubs plus na-Orkan kudala ezisebenzela la way. Singalibali usupport i-channel nje kancane bafethu, ngicela nje ushaye u-like apha ezantsi u-YouTube. Xa nishaye u-like kule video uzobonisa le video for amanye amajita channel ikhule, okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahli ungaphosa uziwezi grand ucofa subscribe apha ezantsi moja bafethu. Masingene list bafethu ngabe nidonsa kakhulu. So 4 players ezivayayo based on i-performance data plus ne-contract situations. Number 1 Miguel Team una 33 midfielder. Deal yakhe contract yakhe yaphela ngoJune kulo nyaka. Umjita udlala 3 games qha kule season, so team uyayibetha. Number 2 Innocent Mayela, the only captain emhlabeni etyiwa ibench. Innocent Mayela left back / left center back na 32 kule season udlala 11 games qha. Contract situation yakhe unconfirmed. Number 3 Karim Kimvwidi, 23 attacking midfielder. Kule season udlala 18 games, i-deal yakhe unconfirmed. Technically uNtswempu umjita uyathandwa zii-fans. I like umnandi uPeter Tosh bafethu. Qha isimoko inoni umjita akanahanga ne-desire. Usoloko casual xa fumana i-chance uba makadlala. uJose Riveiro uzamile unika i-chance umjita mara semjita usoloko casual. Comfortable phaa eJoburg umjita usemalini enintsi phana kuse uyambona na ku-Instagram Kimvwidi basewonwabile umjita sokuncumeki sebone sesimali singaka. Imali kusebeyenza kusenobhizi namamedi phana uburhasa norhasa manje bayarhasa nawo umjita. But kuse talent yakhe khangakwazi kuse umjita uyimaximize Orlando Pirates and uyavaya senijongela izinto apha ngoku. Number 4 umjita sekwi-loan already akazuphinda abuye. Na 24 i-winger Gilberto ulonwe out ngoku phaka ilawe Pedro Luanda ilawe Angola. Umjita udlala 12 games. Isimo sakhe ayikho Ntswempu ayikho mnandi umjita. Sisiqoqo esiya ayikho good enough for the PSL. So 4 players via Orlando Pirates zizo bafethu ezo based on your performance data and the contract situations. List the 4 players is a face question mark Orlando Pirates. The future years Orlando Pirates ayicacanga ne question marks. Number 1 Olisanda na 27 central defender. Bene injury issues plus ne contract disagreement ne management. Question mark bawuzohlala nayo kanye yavaya izawudependa plus nayo umjita ureact kanjani situation. Number 2 Thabiso Lebitso right back na 29 injury issues ne contract situation question mark future yakhe on the Pirates. Number 3 Zakhele Liphasa injury issues ne contract situation plus ne personal clash no Jose Riverio coach, question mark future yakhe Orlando Pirates na 28 umjita. Number 4 Monapole Saleng na 27 attacking midfielder ne-winger. Injury issues eqaleni kwesizini, and then yaba personal contract situation Orlando Pirates ne-management. Question mark ba uyahlela Orlando Pirates na. Sizobona future yakhe Orlando Pirates akabe confirmed, especially if uzofunwa yenye club. Orlando Pirates ngafumana business opportunity, sizobona. 4 players bafethu ezo ezine question mark future yazo Orlando Pirates. And then 5 players ezingapresenta i-business opportunity for Orlando Pirates. Ngaba yi-swap deal okanye seyibe yi-loan deal. Pirates uthole players ezithile kwezinye club. Orlando Pirates yazi bayathanda uyenza lo wena Chippa United, and this season mhlawumbe ngayenza ezinye team ezifana no-Stellenbosch. Mhlawumbe Pirates efuna enye player mhlawumbe iGolden Arrows okanye kwaMazulu. Ngingenza i-swap deal. Number 1 Azola Chobeni, attacking midfielder. UNtswembu Mchana ngabe 21-22 top player, but say Orlando Pirates ngabani business opportunity base jonga im loan okanye in swap deal. Number 2 Thuso Moleleki naye attacking midfielder Ntswembu. Orlando Pirates ngabani opportunity ye business for umjita. Number 3 ulawe nguyanga Madiba naye same story, sine potential. Orlando Pirates ngafana business opportunity ngaye im loan okanye im swap. Number 4 Butumelo Radiopane 22 striker, same story. Orlando Pirates ngafumana loan opportunity a business okanye kuse swap deal. And then last but not least ulanduza ngusiyabonga Dlozi, i-central defender / right back, naye ngabe business opportunity for Orlando Pirates. Sizobona xa kuphela isizini Orlando Pirates iyazenza ezi deals, sizobona. Amachita akho question mark, banayi talent, but kuse i-business and ngenzeka i-business opportunities. Watch the space, watch bafethu. Singalibali support channel nje kancane bafethu. Ngicela nje ushaye like apha ezantsi uYouTube. Xa nishaye like kule video uzobonisa le video for amanye amajita channel ikhule, okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahli, ungaphosa uziwe igram, ucofa subscribe apha ezantsi. Watch bafethu.